really... Don't swear.
What art are you doing today?
I'm drawing.
Cool.
Herbivore.
Herbivore. And I'm editing a video, and look who it is. Here and here. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, so yesterday I saw the same huge spider in here as I saw the other week, and I'm really scared. I want to take a bath, no, a shower. I want to have a shower, but it was right there on the side of the bath, and it was like this big, and it was horrible. And I don't know where it is, and I don't know whether I want to know where it is, and I'm scared in case I get in the shower and then I see it somewhere and then I freak out. What if it's in that? Oh no, oh no, oh no.
1, 2, 8, 0, 7, 2, 0. 1, 2, 8, 0, 7, 2, 0. We needed to remember the dimensions for a custom YouTube thumbnail, so we were chanting it. There's a video. Done. Ah! Anna's logging out of my YouTube account and then logging in so that she can be the first person to comment on my video. I can't remember my password. Oh no! Amy, go!
Hi.
Quick, not now.
I can't do it.
Quick!
I'll do it first.
No, Kate! It's a race. It's a race.
Hannah!
It's literally, it's on this, and then you just refresh the page.
Oh my god, okay.
Okay, go. You can do it. You can do it.
No!
Someone already commented. Second.
Hilarious time 12.
Oh, are you proud?
Oh wait, no, it's silent.
I forgot we were logged in as Anna, and I've replied to comments.
Delete it now. She's gonna think I'm some sort of weirdo.
Now we're just writing it. I know, I said that.
Water for bad.
I don't see that.
From this angle, she's just like...
Oh, good stretch. Hey guys, it's Tuesday night. Normally Tuesday night is pub quiz night, but I'm feeling like a bit of a blob. I had a busy day. I went and I met up with Fran and Michael for coffee, who I'm going to Oxford with, and then after that I met up for coffee again with a different person, a girl from school called Jess, and I helped her with some of her GCSE French. And so now, ow! I hit myself in the face with my laptop in an attempt to cover up my school logos on my Leavers hoodie. Now I'm in some nice tracksuit bottom sweatpant things, a nice hoodie, and I've got my laptop, and I'm gonna cook some food and chill, maybe watch a movie. Yeah. I said I was gonna cook some food, but actually I'm making some capital gluten-free rice noodles, and I'm gonna add some extra veggies to it. So that counts as cooking, and I'll add some salt and pepper. That's cooking, maybe. These are a good thing. This is like an 8-year-old's jumper, but it still fits me, which is something I'm proud of. It's Halloween! It's Halloween. Oh, right, okay. The meat-eating one.
Did you see in the other one where it's like, film me eat this bit of potato, and you were like, blah, blah, blah.
No. Wait. It was a... Oh, is it up?
What you do if you leap about, things, like, no, like from ropes and stuff, like in a circus.
Acrobatics.
Yes. Okay. weird, odd, unusual.
Strange, uncanny,
Um,
bizarre.
Sounds a bit like
mental.
Sounds a bit like no, sorry, I can't pass that. A length of distance in horse racing.
Ow!
There's me at the top of the stairs, and again, a bit of vandalism happening in the school. Oh! It's bacon time.
There's ounces.
Did you realise there's some bits of glooped out onto the bottom shelf? Oh, it's dripping! It's dripping, Hannah.
Get it out.
Oh my god, there's a lot dripping.
Oh no!
Nuts! Other nuts! Oh, whoa. Where's the other nuts? There it is! Got it! Oh no, Hannah. Oh no. Why don't we put the tin in the tin? Put the tin in the tin. Sorry.
Also, we've accidentally created a turd. Moment of truth. It's done.
Hey. Yeah.
That just looks so good.
It's beautiful. Oh yeah.
You know what will make it even better?
Oh yeah, some nice little sprinkles.
Just like
one.
just one.
One sprinkle.
I'll go give it to Anna.
We've got you your cake turd.
Thank you.
We've decorated.
I iced it and put one sprinkle in it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. I need teamwork of you holding this. Go on. Go on, lass.
Hey. we just now we need to turn it the right way up.
No, we don't. No, we need. Bloody hell, this is a cat.
It's metal cake.
For all your iron needs.
Oh no.
We can stick it with icing. This was your idea. Put it back on. We'll stick it back on.
Perfect, beautiful. Does it taste good?
No.
But this is a different kind of meringue, right? Or
Still egg white.
there's now sugar syrup in it. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cake is complete. It's a nice green, white, and pink colour scheme. My beautiful green slimy face. Oh yeah. This is a good look, I think. This is like my favourite thing to do ever. Ooh. Ow, my hair, ow. Yesterday I bought a kettle for uni and I've decided that I want to decorate it. I decided I don't want to just use pink and purple, so I found these fabric marker Sharpies, but I've tested them and they do not work on this. So I found some black acrylic paint. I'm going to do an outline with this and borrow some Sharpies from someone else to colour it. So let's see. I think I'm finished with my painting. Yeah, all the foods. Boop, boop, boop.
What do you see when you peer through the trees in an English country garden? One more
Get me into the new reference.
Hey. Oh. Hey, friend.
Hello. Was that a video?
This looks like you're sticking your chest out.
Oh.
You really do. Look at that.
I've just been to little Lucy's house and she very kindly let me borrow her Sharpies. So my beautiful kettle is finished. I've got a glass of red wine, a fried egg, a pineapple, a bagel, a chicken, that's a steak, a cucumber, pork pie, lemon, apple,
coffee, hot dog, cheese, carrot, olive, burger, sushi, peach, watermelon, avocado, broccoli, cocktail, strawberry, fish, bread, tortilla chips, blueberries, white wine, a prawn, a cake, a penne pasta, a slice of orange, some peas, a meringue and a banana, and my initials.
There's no draw.
Danby's at uni. Hi.
An amazing moment. Almost like a dialogue between two.
It is 6:15. I have about 13 people coming over at 7, and this is the state of the kitchen, and I have to tidy the living room as well. I feel like such a little hostess, so it is time to tidy, and then I have to sort myself out, shower, get ready. Oh my god. Before you go, summertime sadness. La 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 la, you go. La 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 la. Snacks! I'm excited. Sadness. Summertime sadness. Whoa.
Oh, even better.
It's like I'm slapping.
Oh no, where are they? They've run away.
Oh my god, emotion.
Hannah is a famous YouTube blogger, so I'm getting now. And I am Kate.
She's Kate.
Right, let's find Lauren.
Let's go find Lauren. Cowboy toast. Oops. It went a bit wrong. Ah.
They get to go outside.
Well, I think they did get to go outside if it's nice anyway.
It's first for tomorrow.
Very good.
It's going to be cold lamb lunchtime.
And then tomorrow evening.